Hi there, today we're going to practice picking patterns for the ukulele. The first one is the simple picking pattern using your right thumb and fingers 1, 2, and 3. Okay? The basic posture for ukulele is really having a relaxed body and then putting your ukulele right here on your lap. I utilize the shape of the ukulele right here. I put it exactly on top of my lap so it is stable. Some ukulele players do this, put it here, or just really put it here and then grab and like embrace the ukulele with your arm. But for me, right now, I feel I'm more comfortable this way. Okay, so I put my ukulele here on my thigh, and this shape of the ukulele goes right there. And now it's stable. Now I embrace the body of the ukulele, almost embracing it, and just putting my hand above the sound hole. I use my pinky to anchor my hand like this. Can you see that? So I use my pinky to anchor my hand like this. So my hand is stable. It's not wobbly. So I put my pinky here and the rest of my fingers just above the strings, ready to play. Okay? Now for this exercise, the thumb, finger number 1, finger number 2, and finger number 3. Thumb is playing the G string, your first finger playing the C string, your second finger playing the E, and your third finger playing the A string. So every finger has its own string as of now. We're not going to use any chord right now, so we're just going to focus on picking. So the first pattern is thumb, 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger. So I'm just going to call it thumb, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So the pattern is counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, that's the counting. For the fingers, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So let's start playing the pattern once. I'm going to demonstrate it really slow. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Again, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to play the pattern twice, really slow. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Now we're playing the pattern 4 times, okay, with the same tempo, really slow. Ready? And 4, 3, ready, go. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to play it the same pattern, but a little faster. But this time we're not going to count thumb 1, 2, 3. We're actually going to count the beats 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember, you're still playing thumb 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ready? And 4, 3, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Now let's play it even faster now. So the tempo is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ready? And 4, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you'll see some players play it fast. Okay? Sometimes in your brain, you can only count the 1, your thumb as ones. You don't need to count 2, 3, 4 anymore if you're playing faster, because your brain can't really, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really hard to think about that. So what you can do is count 1, 2, 3, 4. So for every beat, every count, you're playing 4 strings already automatically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do you understand? Now, let's try it again, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, but for every beat, 4 strings. All right? So get ready. This is the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So I don't expect you to get that fast tempo right away. You're going to have to practice really slow at first and gradually increase the speed. Build up your speed as you practice slowly. The slow practicing is really important than the fast one, because when you practice slowly, you give more thought on what you're doing with your fingers, with the thought process, and all the strings that you're playing. Your brain can process it even better when you're playing slowly. And then later it becomes automatic when you're playing it as you speed up. Okay, so I hope you practice, and I'll see you on our next lesson.